Good morning and welcome to the APAC Review Morning Market Wrap for Wednesday, the 4th of September, where we recap some of yesterday's market highlights occurring across Asia Pacific. Well, yesterday we saw Asian stocks continue their 4-day rally, with the Japanese yen continuing to fall against the greenback, and we saw some better than expected manufacturing figures coming out of European equity markets the night before, which really helped bolster markets across the board. The official Chinese non-manufacturing PMI also came out yesterday at 53.9 in August, down from 54.1 in July, but nonetheless puts China in a really good position to meet its full-year growth targets. The Japanese Nikkei closed on a 3-week high, up 3%, and the yen's fall sparked a rally in Japanese exporters, in particular Nintendo, which was up 5%, and automakers Nissan and Toyota also making some pretty strong gains. The South Korean Kospi also rose 0.5% thanks to strong gains in the shipbuilding industry. And Chinese stocks rose to a 10-week high after Premier Li Keqiang said he's confident the country will achieve this year's economic goals. On the back of this, we also had Goldman Sachs boosting its forecast for China's economic growth from 7.4% to 7.6%. And the Shanghai Composite picked up 24.5 points, or 1.2%. We also saw Hong Kong's Hang Seng close up around 1%. Here in Australia, the ASX 200 closed 8.3 points, or 1.16% higher after the Reserve Bank of Australia left its benchmark interest rates at 2.5%. And Rio Tinto, the world's second largest miner, rose 3.1% after the RBA's index of commodity prices climbed to a 15-month peak in August. Despite all these gains, benchmarks in Thailand, Philippines, India and Singapore did close slightly lower. And overnight, we saw US stocks rise slightly, but this is largely subdued by the US Congress actually supporting military intervention in Syria. This is something that's likely to play out during the day as well. Now, taking a look at the day ahead, we have Thailand releasing its consumer confidence figures at roughly 2:30 at Sydney time today. And Australia will be announcing its June quarter GDP figures at 11:30 p.m. And that's the APAC Market Review for Wednesday, the 4th of September. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time.